Good evening, children.
Good evening,
Good
ma'am.
evening,
Good
ma'am.
evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening, children. Please work question number 8. Take down the figure in your book. This you know is from lines and angles.
Yes, miss.
Yeah.
Sorry, which question, ma'am?
Question number 8. Question number 8. Here, right on top.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, please draw the figure in your book. Please take down the figure and then start working. Done with the figure, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. Please see the answer here. If you have any questions, you can ask me. You can see the 8th answer here. You can see the answer here, children. Question number, the answer to question number 8 is here.
Miss, I too got the same answer.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Any-
for me too, ma'am.
Yeah, any questions, children? Please get it clarified.
Ma'am, actually,
No doubt, ma'am.
I didn't first get Mn is parallel to AB, AB is parallel. I didn't do like that, ma'am. I directly substituted 104 plus A.
No, you must mention the parallel lines, right? So the first step is through E. Through this point E, we draw Mn. Through this point E, we draw Mn parallel to AB. That's the construction. Through E, draw Mn parallel to AB. That's the construction. But in the figure, AB and CD are already marked parallel to each other. You can see the arrows. It was already given to us. It was already marked. AB parallel to CD is known to us. Construction, Mn parallel to AB. Construction. But AB is parallel to CD is given to us. So we have two lines Mn and CD parallel to the same line AB. Mn and CD are two lines which are parallel to the same line AB. So they are parallel to each other. Therefore, MN is parallel to CD. So MN is parallel to CD. First, through E, draw MN parallel to AB. But AB is parallel to CD given. So when you compare these two, we get a new result. Two lines MN and CD are parallel to the same line AB. So they are parallel to one another. The result is they are parallel to one another. So MN is parallel to CD. Now AB is parallel to MN, and which is the transversal? AB is parallel to MN, and which is the transversal?
Ma'am, EA.
EA. AE is the transversal. You need to mention all that. So here I've just squeezed in the answers in one page. So you need to write that AB parallel to MN, transversal AE. Transversal AE. So see here, parallel line, transversal parallel line. A and 104 are allied angles or co-interior angles, and they are supplementary because the lines are parallel. Parallel line, transversal, parallel line. Parallel line, transversal, parallel line.
Yes, ma'am.
104A, 104 and A are co-interior angles, they are supplementary. So 104 plus A is 180, A is 76. Again, MN is parallel to CD. See here, MN is parallel to CD. MN is parallel to CD. And Shivani, which is a transversal? MN parallel to CD. Yes, Shivani?
EA.
EA.
EC, ma'am.
Arav? Are you there, Arav?
Yes, ma'am, but your voice is kind of breaking, ma'am.
No, it is clear.
Ma'am, for me, I don't know.
No, your
Ma'am,
voice
can
is
I
clear.
rejoin, ma'am?
Okay.
Ma'am, can I rejoin?
Yeah, please. MN parallel to CD, and children, which is the transversal?
EC, ma'am. EC, ma'am.
EC is the transversal. And Pranav, which are the allied angles? Not there. So see this parallel line, transversal, parallel line. Parallel line, transversal, parallel. I've marked this angle B. Yes, Shreyas?
Ma'am, what question you asked now? What are?
No. When we consider MN parallel to CD, which line segment is regarded as the transversal?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. You just asked Pranav a question, ma'am. I asked that question.
Oh my God. No, it's okay. Let's come from the beginning. MN parallel to CD. Which one acts as a transversal?
Ma'am, it is EC.
EC is a transversal. Which are the angles that form allied angles or that are called allied angles?
Ma'am, angle ECD and angle CME, ma'am.
CME. I've conveniently marked no AB and all the numbers. You can use that and say. Which are the angles that are allied angles?
A and B, ma'am.
MN parallel to CD. CE is a transversal. MN parallel to CD and CE is EC is a transversal. Which are the allied angles?
Sorry, ma'am.
Angle
That is
B
C.
and 116.
Angle
EC,
B and 116 degrees.
ma'am.
Parallel lines. You see the transversal here like this. These are allied angles. These are allied angles. So here you find B, here you find B, and here you have 116. Parallel line, transversal, parallel line. Parallel line, transversal, parallel line. Allied angles. These are allied angles and they are supplementary. So you can see B and 116 in such positions. B and 116. We have marked these. For the sake of convenience, we have marked A and B. We have marked off these angles as A and B for our convenience, so that we don't have to use 3 letters to name every angle. It's so convenient to call it A than calling it angle AEN or NEA. Yeah, and it's easy to check your answer also. When you use letters for angles like this, it's easy to check your answer. B and 116. So B plus 116 is 180. You can see it here, allied angles. So B is 64. Now the question is to find angle AEC. AEC, which is A plus B. Which is A plus B? Or this was marked X. The whole angle was marked X. We have to find angle X. Which is A plus B. A is 76, B is 64. So X is 140. So in this question, we have 2 sets of parallel lines. Okay, tell me one set of parallel lines and the transversal in this figure. Any one set of parallel lines and transversal.
Ma'am, AB and MN and the transversal is EA, ma'am.
And which are the allied angles?
104 degrees and A degrees.
A. Okay. Arav, are you back? Which is the other set of parallel lines?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Now it is kind of clear, ma'am.
Yeah, Arav. Which is the other set of parallel lines?
Ma'am, in which sum, ma'am? That time I left and it was
In
not
question
clear.
number 8. In 8.
Yes, ma'am. In 8, what are the
parallel lines? Which are the parallel lines and for the okay, you mention a set of parallel lines first.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, angle AB and CD, ma'am.
AB and CD. No, but then they don't have a transversal, right? There is no
Yes,
line.
Ma'am, ma'am, AN, that AN and EA, ma'am.
AN. No,
And
not
EA.
No.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Kanishka.
Can I, ma'am?
Ma'am, EN and CD are parallel lines, ma'am, and EC is a transversal.
EN.
Sorry, MN, ma'am.
EN and okay, anything. EN or MN. Parallel lines, transversal. EN and CD are the parallel lines. And the transversal is
And
EC.
EC, ma'am.
Which are the allied angles?
Angle B and 116 degree, ma'am.
They're allied angles. They're supplementary. So like that, we find A and B. And hence we find the measure of angle X. See, we have to find X. We have to find X. X is divided into 2 angles, A and B, A and B, A and B. So we find A separately, B separately, and the sum of A and B gives us X. Yeah, now do the 9th one. 9, right below 8, we have 9. Please take the figure. Should I show the question or the answer for anyone here? Eighth one? All of us have completed?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, children, now try the 9th one. Please take down the figure in your notebook. The figure is given, parallel lines are marked, 40 degrees, 35 degrees, and we need to find this angle X. Find X. The question is to find X.
Ma'am, can we extend the line CD, ma'am?
Yes, you can.
Ma'am, for AB2 we can extend, no, ma'am.
You can, yes, to understand the figure will be given like this. In your solution, you have the question figure is like this. The solution figure you can extend. You can extend A, B, C, D. Yes. To understand the parallel lines and the transversal better, to see them better, you can do it. See, only when I zoom out, I can use the pen, so I have to zoom out. Now, children, this is what is given. There's something like this given to us. Parallel line. And then, sorry. Okay, let me use the same figure here. So now what you have to do is, we have two parallel lines AB and CD. We have two parallel lines AB and CD, but they're not connected by a transversal, which is why we need a construction. AB, and even in the earlier figure, we have two lines parallel to each other, AB and CD, but they are not connected by a transversal, meaning a transversal is a line that intersects the two parallel lines at distinct points. A transversal is a line that intersects the two parallel lines at distinct points. See, now we don't have one line cutting AB and CD. AB and CD are parallel. I'm talking about 8 and 9. In both the cases, AB is parallel to CD. But in both the figures, there is no transversal. That is, there is no line intersecting AB and CD. So in question number 8, at this junction, through E, we draw a line parallel to AB. Do the same thing here, through O. Through O, draw a line parallel to AB. Or you can say also parallel to CD. So you have a line going through O like this, parallel to AB. So you know now all the three lines will be parallel to each other, that usual results. Now, when you take up this line parallel to this line and this one as a transversal, you can mark off X as A and B. X as A, very similar to the earlier one. You can, when this angle is divided, X is divided into two angles, A and B. So use 40 and A as allied angles and find A. Use 35 and B as allied angles and find B. A plus B will give you the measure of angle X. You can see it here. So somebody tell me the construction. You have to write that in your book. You don't find it there. You have to write it in your book. See the answer for the 9th one on your screen. Tell me the construction through O. What do you say? Through O.
Construct angle PQ. Construct line PQ.
Line PQ, is it? Okay, let me mark it PQ. Wait. No. Okay, you want me to mark this? Okay, I'm sorry, it's above, but okay, so Kanishka says through O. Kanishka, yes, through O, draw.
Construct line PQ, ma'am.
Parallel to?
AB, ma'am. AB and CD.
No, you cannot say AB and CD. Through O, because you cannot, at the same time, you cannot draw a line parallel to two lines.
Okay, ma'am. Line parallel to AB, ma'am.
Yeah, through O, construction. See, children, all of you must write this. Construction, through O, draw PQ. Through O, draw PQ parallel to AB. Next, Kanishka, after that, what would you write?
Ma'am, AB is parallel to PQ, ma'am.
Okay, that is by construction. Yes. Then
AB is parallel to CD, ma'am.
AB is parallel to CD. That is given to us, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So AB is parallel to PQ, construction. AB is parallel to CD, given. So from these two, what is the new result?
PQ is parallel to CD, ma'am.
PQ is parallel to CD. We need to write all this first. All of you write it. Through O, draw PQ parallel to AB.
Ma'am, is 40 and A are allied and
Next line, AB parallel to CD, given. Next line, therefore, PQ parallel to CD. PQ is parallel to CD. Therefore, PQ is parallel to CD.
Ma'am, I got the same answer. X is equal to 285.
Okay, yeah.
Me too,
Deepika,
ma'am.
are you there? Deepika? Shivani?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Shivani, tell me the parallel lines. To find A, which are the parallel lines and which is the transversal? Pratiksha?
Ma'am, can I say?
Just a minute, Shreyas. Yeah. 1 minute, I'll get back to you. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Pratiksha?
Ma'am.
To find A, Pratiksha, which are the parallel lines and which is the transversal? To find A. How many of you can say? Shreyas has the answer.
Ma'am,
I
Ma'am.
do have the answer, ma'am.
Then next.
Ma'am,
ma'am, I can too
Kanishka.
tell the answer.
Okay, Kanishka, Shreyas, then.
Ma'am, I can.
Who's this?
Satvika, ma'am.
Satvika. Okay, Satvika, tell us.
AB and PQ are the parallel lines, while BO is the transversal.
Okay, AB and PQ are the parallel lines, and BO is a transversal. What is a transversal? Why should BO? Why do you call BO the transversal to AB and PQ?
Because it's intersecting both the lines.
Yeah, because it intersects both the lines. Because it intersects both the lines. See, children, you can see AB. This is AB. This is the transversal BO, and this is that parallel line PQ. It extends here also. It extends here also. You can, there are lines. You can. So here and here are allied angles. Here and here. See here, this is AB. See, watch it again. This is AB. This is BO, the transversal. And this is that QP or PQ. These two are parallel. By construction, they are parallel. And see, why do we call this the transversal? Because it touches both the parallel lines at these points. This is the transversal. If you call a line a transversal, then it should intersect the two parallel lines at distinct points. So this is the transversal because it connects the two parallel lines. This transversal connects the two parallel lines. And here are allied angles. Similarly, so that's how we find A. That's how we find A. See, A and B we mark because when you draw through O, when you draw PQ parallel to AB, what happened? The angle X is divided into two angles. So we call it A and B. X becomes A and B. Allied angles are supplementary, so 40 plus A is 180, so A is 140. And again, see it here. Now, Shivani, tell me which is the other set of parallel lines and which is the transversal?
Ma'am, to find A, no, ma'am.
We found A, ma, to find B.
Yes.
Find B. Yeah. Which are the parallel lines?
Ma'am, PQ and AB, ma'am.
PQ and AB we just finished. Which are the other set of parallel lines? To find B.
Ma'am, can I say?
1 minute. All of us should try. Yeah, 1 minute. Yes, Shivani?
PQ and CD.
Yeah, you're right. PQ and CD, you're right. Which is a transversal? Which is that line segment or line touching both the parallel lines?
OD.
OD is a transversal. OD is a transversal. So can you see something like this, Shivani? Can you see PQ, this one parallel line? Can you see a transversal like this?
Yes,
Parallel
ma'am.
line. Can you see it here? Wait, let
Yes.
me show it here. Can you see the parallel line here? The transverse are not able to go over, and then the parallel line here like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, see, these are the parallel lines. These are the parallel lines. These are the parallel lines. This is the transversal. This is a transversal because it touches both the parallel lines.
Lines.
Yeah. This is angle B. This is angle B. If you can watch the figure closely, I'll zoom in and show you. And this one is marked 35 or 45, 35. This is marked 35. Now, Shivani, these are the positions of allied angles. See, you can produce this line and see. You can produce the parallel lines. If you want to get a better idea, see here. This is the transversal. You can pull the transversal. Pull it and see here. Parallel lines, transversal. These are allied angles. We have seen this. We have seen this when we had the introduction to parallel lines intersected by a transversal. We understood that these are co-interior angles and they're supplementary. These are co-interior angles, they're supplementary. So every time you will not see this complete figure. So you see only this one. In this figure, you see only this part. Only this part. So if you want to have this complete view, you need to produce it. You need to produce it. See, produce it here. Produce the lines, produce the line. Oh my God. So see here, you produce it. This is one line. This is the other parallel line. And this one is a transversal. This one is a transversal. Now you can see the two parallel lines and the transversal. So here is B and here is 35. So B plus 35 is equal to how much, Shivani? B plus 35 is equal to?
B plus 35 is equal to 180, ma'am. Then
Reason?
Ma'am?
What is the reason?
Supplementary, ma'am.
Sorry?
Supplementary.
Why? Why are they supplementary? Because they are?
Co-interior angles, ma'am.
Triangles, ma'am.
Because they are aligned angles. I didn't hear what you said because Kanishka crossed in. Okay. What did you say, Shivani?
Yes, ma'am. I told co-interior angles.
Okay. Very good, Shivani. Very good. Thanks for your interaction.
Yes, ma'am.
So through O, you should have this in your book. Through O, draw PQ. We had marked it PQ, parallel to AB. But AB is parallel to CD. Therefore, PQ is parallel to CD. So which are the two sets of parallel lines and transversal we have taken here? First, AB is parallel to
PQ, ma'am.
PQ. And which is the transversal?
OB.
Ma'am,
BO,
OB, ma'am.
ma'am.
OB. OB. So aligned angles are?
40 degree
40
angle A,
degrees,
ma'am.
A. Yeah, since they are aligned angles, they're supplementary. A plus 40 is 180. With that, we can find A. Which is the which are the other set of parallel lines?
Ma'am, PQ
PQ
and
and
CD,
CD,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And CD.
PQ and CD. Correct. Transversal?
Ma'am,
OD.
DO.
OD, ma'am.
OD
OD.
or DO. Okay. Aligned angles?
Angle B and
angle 35.
35, ma'am.
35 and
E and 35. You can see that X is only now A and B. This is X. This is X. Because of the construction, X becomes A and B. A and B put together is this full angle X. Yes?
Ma'am, a doubt, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, if we join that angle BOD means, ma'am, it would become 360 degree. No, ma'am.
BOD, yeah?
Yes, ma'am, BOD.
Yeah, the full thing is 360, correct.
Ma'am, if we extend AB means 40 plus that angle B, then by that we can find using that alternate angles, ma'am.
Yeah, you can. I'll tell you that also. Let me finish this and tell you that also. Yeah,
Okay.
so that X is what is A and B. Yeah, I'll tell you. X is what is A and B. So find A, find B. A plus B is the value of X. What you see here, X is equal to 285. You need to mention the parallel lines and transversal, children. You need to mention the parallel lines and the transversal and then write 40 plus A is 180. Reason allied angles. Oh, I can't zoom in and mark it. So what you can also do is, this is the construction, right? Through O, we draw a line parallel to AB, so that blah, blah, you know that. Now, parallel line, transversal, parallel line. You can see the Z. Alternate angles are equal, so this is 40. Alternate angles are equal, so this is 40. Similarly, parallel line, transversal, parallel line. You can see, so this is also 35 degrees. This is 35. Alternate interior angles are equal, 35. See here, I'm showing you the parallel. See here, the Z. It's like this: parallel line, transversal, parallel line. So here, this one and this one, alternate interior angles are equal. This one is 35. So this is also 35. Parallel line, transversal, parallel line, Z. See the Z, parallel line, transversal, parallel line. 40, 40. Alternate interior angles are equal. parallel line, transversal, parallel line. This is 35, so this is also 35. Alternate interior angles are equal. 40 plus 35 is 75. So x will be equal to 360 minus 75. Because 75 and x make a complete angle. X and 75 together make a complete angle. See here, x. From here to here is x. And okay, or you can write x plus 40 plus 35 is equal to 360. You can also do that. Maybe better you can do this. After finding 40 and 35 here, you can write x plus 40 plus 35 is equal to 360. Complete angle. See, these three angles, x, 40 and 35 are formed around the point O. Around this point O. Around the point O, we have three angles, x, 40, 35. X plus 40 plus 35 is equal to 360 will also give you the same value for x.
Ma'am, I did like this, ma'am, but what is the change? Means I added 180 minus 40. I subtracted 180 minus 40 and I subtracted 180 minus 35, ma'am. By adding both, I get 285 degrees.
Very good. That's also fine. That is also fine. Yeah. Correct, Shreyas.
Okay, ma'am.
All right, children. Now the 11th one. Do the 11th one, all of you. See, now the question is, do we need a construction or we don't need a construction? Whenever the mostly you can take this rule. Whenever the parallel lines are connected by a transversal, you don't need a construction. So you just
Okay,
take,
ma'am.
yeah, you just take now AB is parallel to CD. Is there a line connecting AB and CD? Yeah, there is a line connecting AB and CD. So then mostly we don't need a construction. ABC and AB transversal CD. There is BC connecting the two parallel lines. There is BC connecting the two parallel lines AB and CD. Similarly, EF is marked parallel to CD, EF and CD. And there is this EC connecting the two parallel lines. There is this EC touching the two lines EF and CD. So I don't think you need a construction for this figure. You can directly get, meaning you can find the value of x with whatever is given to us. How many of you have watched the videos which I shared on congruent triangles?
I watched.
Ma'am,
I
I
have
didn't
watched,
watch
ma'am.
fully, ma'am, because in my school, like there's some offline teachers day program, so they have selected me. So from morning to like evening 7, I'm going and coming. That's why I didn't see
Fine.
fully.
Okay. When can you finish it?
Miss, tomorrow is the program, so after coming I can do it. Miss.
All right. Fine. Who's completed? I heard Kanishka then.
Sankamitra, ma'am.
Sangamitra. You watched all the videos, is it, Sangamitra?
Yes, ma'am.
And you also finished writing them in your book?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am. Both the.
Okay.
I need to write it alone, ma'am.
Okay. But you watched all the videos. Because when I checked the views, yeah, it had barely increased. The number of views when I checked it on my channel. So that way I realized that you people just saw the link and left it there. Nobody bothered to, meaning most of us did not bother to go and watch it.
I did it 2 days. So.
Okay, fine. Okay,
I too, ma'am, did it today.
Oh, so Saturday and Sunday relaxed. Huh?
No, ma'am. Actually, there are so many projects, and as they said that Wednesday is going to reopen, I did a lot of records completing.
Complete your notebook. Okay, classwork and all that. Okay.
I
Yes, ma'am,
watched
that's
only
why.
half, ma'am, because my
So you're all. Is it compulsory to take up the offline classes, or you have an option?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. It is that is
Ma'am,
compulsory
it
one,
No,
ma'am.
it
Offline
ma'am, for
class.
us it didn't get reopened itself, ma'am. They told that
Yes, ma'am. For
uh,
WhatsApp schools, they didn't open.
Ma'am, for us
Oh,
tomorrow it's gonna reopen, ma'am.
for
okay.
March.
So we'll have to keep our
They
fingers
mostly said it
crossed.
might be on the Monday.
Oh, okay. No, but okay, Shreyas, you have an option of online classes also, or you have to
No,
attend
ma'am.
the.
It's compulsory offline, ma'am.
Oh, okay. All right, all right. Okay. All right, children. So, Kanishka, since the school is going to reopen, you had to complete your notes, is it? Your classwork?
Yes, ma'am. I think I'll complete, ma'am. Actually, I have watched the videos. I'll complete it in tomorrow. I think so, ma'am.
Okay. What about the others? Sangamitra, Kanishka, what about the others? They have finished watching the videos. The others?
Ma'am, I have watched only some videos, ma'am.
Okay. Can we all finish it by Friday? Today
Yes.
is Wednesday,
Yes,
Thursday,
ma'am.
Friday.
Yes,
By the
Yes,
next
ma'am.
class, Saturday.
yes, ma'am.
All
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
I'll send the next one. I did not share it today because I thought there's no point when you have not finished what I've sent so far. There is no point in sending the next set of videos. Okay, so please complete it by the next class because Saturday I'll not check. I'll post the next one on Saturday. And sometime next week you'll take a test on congruent triangles.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, found the X value, ma'am.
Yeah, one second. We were talking about which one? Yeah, 11.
11th
Okay.
one.
Yeah, children coming back to 11. So what we understood is when parallel lines are connected by when there is a line connecting two parallel lines, when there is a line or a line segment, okay? So when there's a line or a line segment connecting the two parallel lines, that acts as a transversal. You don't need a construction then. Okay, how many of you found the value of x? What is x, Kanishka?
Ma'am, is it minus 60 degree, ma'am?
60, yeah?
Minus
Ma'am, I got
60 degree, ma'am.
20, ma'am.
How Kanishka, how can the magnitude of an angle be negative?
That's actually I'm confused in that only, ma'am.
Yeah. No.
Ma'am, I
Temperature.
got the answer.
Yes, Satvika.
Ma'am, I got the 20 degrees.
60, yeah?
20, ma'am. 20.
20. 20. Oh, 20. Anybody else?
Yeah, I got 20.
Even you got 20. Okay. Pratiksha wants to share? Okay, 20 is the right answer. 20 is the correct answer. Okay. Now, parallel line, transversal, parallel line. This is 130 degrees. 130 degrees. This one is not known. So this is 50 degrees. 50. Okay. So this is 50. Now I'll show you which is 50. So this is 50. This one is 50. ECD is 50. EC, because see, parallel line, transversal, parallel line. So this ECD is 50 because 130 plus 50 will be 180. So if this is 130, this is 50. Now look at this parallel line, transversal, parallel line. This whole angle is 70 because alternate angles are equal. This whole angle is 70, but this is 50. So that means 50 plus x is equal to 70. We know that this is 50. This full angle is 70. That means 50 plus x is equal to 70. So x is equal to 70 minus 50, which is 20. I'll tell you.
Ma'am, actually, I remember what the mistake I have made, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute. This is 70, children. This full thing is 70. This full angle is 70 because see, parallel line, transversal, parallel line. This full angle is 70. Parallel line, transversal, parallel line. This full thing is 70. Okay. Now here there's something like this. This is 130. So this one will be 50. 50 plus x is equal to this full angle 70. Parallel line, transversal, sorry. Parallel line, transversal, parallel line. This is 70. This is also 70. This full thing is 70. Now you can see something like this. This is 130. So this one will be 50. 130. This is because here parallel line, transversal, parallel line. This one. So it's like this: parallel line, transversal, parallel line. Here this one, 130. So this will be 50. So this is 50. This one is 50. How much is it? This is 50. And this one is marked X. This one is marked X. But this is 70 and this is 70. Alternate interior angles are equal. This is 70. That means 50 plus X is equal to 70. 50 plus X is equal to 70. So X is equal to 70 minus 50, which is 20. You can see the answer here. You should mention the parallel lines and transversal. First, mention the parallel lines and the transversal. The sum of these two angles is 180 because they're allied angles. So this is 50 degrees. Then these are alternate angles. These are alternate. You should mention the parallel lines and the transversal. And these are alternate angles. This one is 70 and this one is x plus 50. You can also present it like this. These two angles are equal because they're alternate angles. This one is 70 and this one is x plus 50. So on solving this, we get x is 20. You have the answer here, just that you have to mention the parallel lines and the transversal for both the situations. Yes, completed.
Ma'am, actually, I made a mistake. I thought that 130 plus 130 plus 50. I didn't. You think of it, ma'am.
What did we do?
Ma'am, actually, I didn't remember it was allied angles, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
I did it like it was like alternative interior angles. Then I wrote it as 130, ma'am. That's what.
Oh, okay, yeah.
That's where I got confused.
Oh,
After only after telling you only, I realized that I have made that mistake.
Okay, I understand why you got minus 60. Okay. So children, it's like this here. Okay, who can tell me the parallel lines and the transversal for 130 and this angle, for 130 degrees and this angle, which are the parallel lines and which is the transversal?
Ma'am, EF and CD are the parallel lines and CE is the transversal.
Okay. Yeah, somebody else?
Sorry, ma'am, I finished telling that.
Yeah, no, I just wanted somebody else to say yes.
EF and CD are the parallel lines and EC is a transversal.
EC is the transversal. EF and CD. EF and CD are the parallel lines. EC is the transversal. I hope all of us understand that. See here, the EF parallel line. CD. EF and CD are the parallel lines. EC is the transversal because EC connects the two parallel lines EF and CD. Parallel line, transversal, parallel line. These angles are right angles. They are supplementary. So ECD will be 50 degrees. Then AB parallel to CD and BC is the transversal. So as I had mentioned that, you should have completed it. Then you can see your book and understand. ABC is equal to BCD. So 70 is equal to x plus 50. X is 20. It is very important to mention the parallel lines and the transversal. For subjective answers, you will not get marks when you don't mention that. You cannot just work what I have shown here. This is not sufficient. This one is not sufficient. You should mention 11th one. I'm showing the 11th one. You should mention, before this, you should mention the parallel lines and the transversal. And then you must write the result and the reason also. Why allied angles are supplementary? Alternate interior angles are equal. Yeah, we'll do the 10th one now. Oh, no, the 12th one, sorry, 12 and then we'll do this 10. 12 children. Children 12, you can see it here. If angle A is 100 degrees, angle E is 30 degrees, find angle C.
Angle C is 130 degrees.
Well,
Yeah, you're right. Find angle A, it must be then because I've marked A as X, right? So it's fine. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Find X, ma. Find X. By mistake, I've written. Find X.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Tell me.
Ma'am, is it written 20 degree, ma'am?
I think.
Angle E.
No, leave this. Find angle C. Find X. It is. Yes, Kanishka. E is 30
Angle E
degrees.
is equal to 20, ma'am.
Oh, I've written 20 here and 30 here. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
And same for A, 100 and 130, ma'am.
No. It's a different question. What I used to do earlier is, for the same figure, I used to give different numbers also. Okay, now I got it. This is a different.
Which value can we consider, ma'am?
No, 1 minute. Can I explain this?
Yes, ma'am, sure.
This is the figure, children. This is the figure. Find X. Okay. For the same figure, remove 130, remove 20, remove X and all that. Use this information. If angle for the same figure, there are two questions here. It's long time I wrote all this notes, so even I forgot. For this figure, see this figure, find X. Then for the same figure, remove these values 130 degrees, 20 degrees, X, remove all that. If A is 100 degrees, if this is 100, if E is 30, find C, find C. That's another question. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now find X. Find X. Somebody's mic is. Yes.
No, ma'am, my mic is muted.
Pranav.
Who's that?
Pranav, ma'am. Pranav.
Oh, Pranav.
Ma'am, it's Pranav Rajan.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
It's Pranav.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am.
Yeah.
Some issue with unmute.
Yeah, I know it's not intentional. Yeah, I know. I understand that. Yes.
What? I only saw this is due to. Don't know how it unmuted, ma'am.
Correct. Okay, no problem. All right, children. So I told you that use find x and then for the same figure, ignore 130, ignore 20, ignore x. Use this information. That's what it is. Yeah, so we'll do both. Do it.
Ma'am, first can we try the value like 20 degrees like that? Then we have to do the second one, ma'am.
Yeah, then this one. For the same figure, then this one. And then after the 12th one, please try the 10th one below.
10th one.
Below. You can see it below.
One. Yes, ma'am.
Below you can see 10. Please try 10.
Okay, ma'am.
Please finish 12 and then try 10. Okay. Yeah, keep working. I'll just get back. Yes, in question number 12, what's the value of x?
70 degree, ma'am.
70. Others?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it 70? Others, please share your answer.
Sorry, ma'am. It is not 70. It is 110, ma'am.
Why you're not able to?
Got-
Yeah. You feel coincident.
Actually, I saw that. Yes, ma'am. I still it is coming in my mind like that only, ma'am.
For me too, it's 110, ma'am. But I think I'm not sure with the answer.
Okay, but what's the construction for this? What is the construction for this one?
Ma'am, a line through E,
Angle
ma'am.
so 130 degree plus 20.
Okay, 1 minute. One minute. Okay, so this is marked 130 degrees. This is marked 130. Through this point, I think it's better I do it here itself. Through this point E, you need to draw a line. Through E, draw a line parallel to any one of the parallel lines. We have AB parallel to CD. We have AB parallel to CD. Through E, you need to draw a line parallel to CD or parallel to AB. You cannot say parallel to AB and CD. You cannot say that. You must say through E, draw a line parallel to, you can say CD or you can say parallel to AB. So supposing you say draw this line parallel to AB, but AB is parallel to CD. So from that conclusion, this line is parallel to this line also. So at the end, all the three lines will be parallel to one another. In the end, all the three lines are parallel to one another. So now when we consider these two lines, see here, parallel line, transversal, parallel line. See here, parallel line, this is the transversal parallel line. Like this it is, parallel line, transversal, parallel line. You can see this is 130 and this portion. So this will be 50. Allied angles are supplementary. This is 50. You can mark it A. You can just mark that angle A. 130 plus A. If you're like wondering how to present, mention the parallel line. CD parallel to whatever you've called it, PQ or whatever. CD is parallel to PQ and what is the transversal? Okay, you have to look at that. Whatever is a transversal. So 130 plus A is equal to 180. Allied angles are supplementary. So A is 50 degrees. So that means this is 50. This one is 50. This one is 50. Now we again have AB parallel to this line, and this is X. And here we have 20 and 50. Here we have 20 and 50. You can see here, I'll show you the lines here. Parallel line, transversal, parallel line. See here, parallel line, transversal, and that construction parallel line. You can see here, X is here. And ignore this one. Don't see anything on what is not needed. Don't see this one in the middle. Ignore this. This should not disturb your, like disturb. Yeah, this should not disturb you. Just leave that. You are always concerned about the two parallel lines and the transversal. That's all. Anybody bothering, ignore them. You should only see the two lines, parallel lines and the transversal. So see here, these are the parallel lines. Parallel line, meaning these are the parallel lines, and this is the transversal. This is the transversal. So you can see X here. And what do you see here? You can see 20 and 50. You can see 20 and 50. You can see this is 20. This one we found 50. So 20 plus 50 is 70. 70 plus X is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 minus 70, 110. You can see the 12th answer below here. Below here you can see. This is answer 12. I told you should the construction and then parallel lines, transversal, all that you'll have to mention. 130 and A are allied angles, so A is 50. And then X plus A plus 20. This is one angle, A plus 20. X plus A plus 20 is 180, allied angles. Any questions, children?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So for the same one, if this is 100 and A is 100, if this is 100, if A is 100 and B, where is not B, what's it? E is 30. Okay, this is 30. If this is 30, we need to find this angle. Okay. All right. We need to find this X. What will be the answer for X here? I'm sorry, just a minute.
It is 70 degrees.
Just a minute.
7.
Yes.
Ma'am, is it 70 degrees, ma'am?
70, huh? Others?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, other answers?
Ma'am, can you tell the question, ma'am?
No, okay. This is the question. Yeah. Now this is the construction. Drawing this.
No, ma'am. What do we want to find out?
This is the construction. Sorry, what?
What do we want to find out? The x or the?
Yeah, x. Measure of x.
X is equal.
130.
130, ma'am.
133.
Satvika, how much? 140, huh?
130, ma'am.
130. Okay, Satvika says 130. Okay.
Ma'am, for me also, ma'am. 130 degree.
Okay, Kanishka 130.
Sorry, ma'am. 110.
110.
X is equal to 110, ma'am.
Okay. So it's all easy when you just mark it with some letter, you know. Let's just call this A. Let's call it A. So again, parallel line, transversal, parallel line. So you can see it's parallel line, transversal, parallel line. So, oh, sorry. Well, let me do it again. So yeah, parallel line, transversal, parallel line. This is 100. This is 100. And here you have 30 and A. You can see it here. See here. Parallel line, transversal, parallel line. See here. Parallel line, transversal, parallel line. Parallel line, transversal, parallel line. What do we see? We see 100 here. We see 100 here. And we see A and 30 here. We have 30. We have A. We have A. This is one angle. This is one angle. A plus 30 plus 100 is equal to 180. Allied angles. A plus 30 plus 100 is equal to 180. So A is 50. A is 50. A is 50. Now take this one. Now take this one. Parallel line, transversal, parallel line. This one. See here. Parallel line, transversal, parallel line. Parallel line, transversal, parallel line. What do we have here? We have X here. We have X here. And we have A here. We have A here. X and A. See this one. Parallel line, transversal, parallel line. We have X here and we have A here. Allied angles are supplementary. So X plus A is 180. A is 50. We just found A is 50. So X plus 50 is equal to 180. X is equal to 130 degrees. How many of you got 130?
Ma'am, I got it.
Satvik has it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, I got
Okay. Sangamitra. All right. Which one?
Ma'am, again I got the same mistake. Co-interior angle. Sorry.
I think I've not worked the alternate method. So let me. Not alternate method, sorry, the alternate question I've not worked. So I told you 100 plus A plus 30. See this figure, 100 plus A plus 30 is 180. So A is 50. In this figure, you have X and A. In this figure, you should just see the angles between the, when you do this, but this is parallel to this. Just identify the angle here. This is 100. And here you have two angles, 30 and A. So 100 plus 30 plus A is 180. So A is 50. Now in this figure, 50 plus X is equal to 180. Parallel line, transversal, parallel line. 50 plus X is 180, X is 130. Question number 10, children. What's the measure of X?
Ma'am, which question, ma'am?
In question number 10, I'd asked you to work this also. 10. What's the value of X in question number 10, children? Need more
Ma'am,
time?
actually I have a doubt in this, ma'am. Is it 120 or 20, ma'am?
20.
Okay, ma'am. Actually, I thought it was 120.
No, it's 20. Mark the angle and then written 20.
Okay, ma'am. I will correct it and tell you, ma'am.
What is 120 plus 75?
195, ma'am.
Is it possible?
No, ma'am. Actually, I had the doubt. That's why.
Okay, no problem. Okay, yeah, it looks like 120. I do admit that. Yes. What's the measure of X? Somebody would have found it.
Ma'am, I will just do it and tell you, ma'am. Actually, I got confused with that value.
Okay.
Ma'am, is it 70 degrees?
70, is it? Okay, let
Yes,
me just
ma'am.
check. Yeah, let me
Ma'am,
just check.
X is 75, ma'am. I mean, sorry, 70, ma'am.
Yeah, X is 70. Yes. X is 70. So it's like this. I'll just, so you can see a line like this. Okay, so I've just taken up only that portion which is needed to find X, children. I've not shown the other lines. See, I've taken up only this portion. I'll show you. See, I've shown this line. I've shown this line and this triangle and this triangle. That's all. And this one is 95. 75 plus 20 is 95. X and 25. I've taken only this portion. Now, what property can you use here to find X?
Angle sum property, ma'am.
Okay, but anything else you can think of?
Ma'am, in a triangle, that 3 angles is equal to 180 degree.
In triangle, all 3 angles is equal to 180 degree. That.
Anything else?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
No.
Ma'am, alternative.
No, there are no parallel lines. My question is, I have shown a portion of the figure. What property can be used to find x? Don't see the figure, the full figure. See the portion of the figure which I have shown. What property will help you to find x?
Exterior angle property.
Yeah,
Exterior.
Exterior, Satvika said, exterior angle property. Yes, Satvika, work on that. How do you use it?
Ma'am, opposite angles of the.
Just tell me like A plus B is equal to C. Tell me like that.
25 degree plus x is equal to 95 degree, ma'am.
Yeah. 25 plus x is equal to 95. Exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. This is the exterior angle. This is equal to x plus 25. So x is equal to 70. X is 70. This is the exterior angle. This is the exterior angle. Or, okay, this is the exterior angle. It's equal to 25 plus x. 95 is equal to 25 plus x is one way. Otherwise, you can use the property that the sum of all the angles on a straight line is 180. So 75 and 20 is 95. So this will be 85. This will be 85. And then you can use angle sum property in a triangle. $85 plus 25 plus x is equal to 180. What's the measure of y?
50, ma'am.
50. How? Satvika?
Ma'am, by corresponding angles property, ma'am. If we take AB parallel to PQ and EF as the transversal, angle E is equal to 75 degree, ma'am, and angle F is equal to 25 plus y. So 75 is equal to 25 plus y, which makes y is equal to 50.
Correct. So see here, parallel lines, transversal. These are corresponding angles. These are corresponding angles. So 25 plus y is equal to 75. The corresponding angles are equal. 25 plus y is equal to 75. This is 75. This is 75. And this angle is 25 plus y. Ignore the other lines that are coming in between. Just see the two lines in the transversal. So see here, you can see, I've told you the corresponding angles form an F. You can see that F. So here the F is like this. The F is like this. Here are the angles. You can see an F. These are the parallel lines. So see the F here. See the F here. This is the F. Line transversal. You can see the F here. This one. Alternate angles. I'm sorry, corresponding angles are equal. So 75 is equal to 25 plus y. So on working that, you get y is equal to 50. 10, right? 8, 9, 10. I'm just checking if I worked the 10th one. But 10 I worked something else here. Anyways,
Ma'am, there were 10 questions in the paper, ma'am.
Oh, really? Okay, see, that's what worked it long back. I'm not able to figure out anything. No, I'll not waste your time. We just discussed, no? First one, to find x, it is using exterior angle property. To find x, it was using exterior angle property. See now, don't see the figure completely. Take up only that part of the figure which is going to help you to find x. Draw that one alone. Like how I showed you. Like how I showed you. See that the line on which the triangle stands. The line on which the triangle stands. And in the triangle, we have only 25 degrees. We don't have y in the triangle, 25. And in the triangle, we have x here. And outside the triangle, here, we have two angles. We have 75 till here, and then we have 20 here. 20 and 75, so totally 95. So we find x using exterior angle property in a triangle. X plus 25 is equal to 95. And we find y using corresponding angles property. Corresponding angles are equal. 75 is equal to 25 plus y. $75 is equal to 25 plus y. Corresponding angles are equal. Yeah, let's do the 16th one. 1, 6. So please write as I tell you. Now this is the construction. You need to produce AD. You need to produce AD. This is the construction. You need to produce AD to meet BC at, okay, let me mark that point at, say, P. Construction, you may write it along with me. Construction. Produce AD to meet BC at P. To meet BC at P. In triangle ABP. Are we writing? Are we all writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Triangle. In triangle. Which triangle did I mention? In triangle ABP. In triangle ABP. This triangle. In this triangle ABP. In this triangle ABP. Which is the exterior angle, children? Name the exterior angle to this triangle ABP. See this triangle alone. Which is the exterior angle? Which side is produced?
BC.
Which side is produced?
Ma'am, BC is produced.
BP is produced to C. So would name the exterior angle?
Angle APC.
Angle APC is the exterior angle. Angle APC is equal to, using the exterior angle property, angle APC is equal to?
Angle APB, ma'am.
There are some symbols, no? You can use the symbols.
Angle beta.
Ma'am, angle beta, ma'am.
Yeah, this is alpha. This is alpha. This is beta. This is gamma. This is alpha.
Angle alpha plus beta is the exterior angle.
Yeah, angle APC is equal to alpha plus beta. So this one is alpha plus beta. Now to the triangle DPC, X is the exterior angle. X is the exterior angle. And that is equal to the sum of these two angles. This one is alpha plus beta and this is gamma. So X is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma. In triangle ABP, this is the exterior angle. So this is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. So this angle is equal to alpha plus beta. Next, take up the small triangle. Into the small triangle, X is the exterior angle because the side PB is produced and this is the exterior angle. Look at the small triangle alone. The side PD is produced. Exterior angle X. X is equal to, this is the exterior angle, that is equal to this angle plus this angle. And this angle is alpha plus beta plus this one, gamma. So X is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma. You can do it in different ways. Let me see what I've done. What's the question number? Oh, I've constructed. Okay. Okay, fine. We'll do it in the next class. I've done in a different way. That's also fine. You can just do this. Who can repeat this? What's the construction? Produce AD to meet BC in P. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Now, first, which triangle do we consider? We name the two triangles in the figure.
Ma'am,
Triangle
triangle
ABP and triangle
ABP and
BC.
triangle
ABP and
APC,
B.
ma'am.
Okay, Satvika, which are the two triangles in the figure?
ABP and DCP.
D,
CP.
DPC. Shreyas, which is
Yeah,
the
ma'am.
exterior angle? Shreyas, which is the exterior angle to triangle ABP?
Ma'am,
ABP.
PC.
PC, okay, that is the extension. Angle.
Ma'am, angle P. ma'am.
Use 3 letters.
Ma'am, angle AP and C. APC, ma'am.
Yeah, APC. And what is APC equal to, Kanishka?
Ma'am,
Angle APC is equal to?
angle ABP plus BAP, ma'am.
Yeah, use the symbols. Angle APC is equal to?
Alpha plus beta, ma'am.
Alpha plus beta. Now, which is the other triangle we have to take up?
Ma'am, DCP.
DCP. And Satvika, which is the exterior angle in DPC?
And DA.
No, exterior angle, that is the
CDA.
extension. Sorry?
CDA. CDA.
CDA. CDA is the exterior angle. That's marked X. CDA is the exterior angle. And exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. So this one we just found is alpha plus beta. This angle is equal to this angle plus this angle. So X is equal to, this is alpha plus beta plus gamma. So we proved that X is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma. You should do the same thing to find X here in this numerical version. Quickly tell me the value of X. Do the same thing. Construction. Yeah. Produce this. So how much is this angle? How much is this angle?
85, ma'am.
85. And how much is X then?
150.
Ma'am, 50.
150, ma'am.
Oh, this is 45 degrees.
Yes, ma'am.
130, ma'am.
130. This one is 85. This one is 85. 55 plus 30 is equal to 85 here. 85 plus 45. 85 plus 45 is 130. X is equal to 130. Take a screenshot. Take a picture of this one.
Ma'am, 1 minute the previous slide.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Can you show the previous?
Yeah, sure. No, that's all. That's all. That's all. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please stay back.
Thank
You may
you,
leave
ma'am.
them with me. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Good night.